Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Today we have a special guest with us, and her name is Salome. She recently got selected in Accenture for AC role and for a package of 4.5 lakhs per annum. Today she is here, and we are going to discuss. So after you get LOI, so what all the process are there, like basic training, your primers, stream based training, so that complete details we will get from her, and she is also going to join in January 2026 as per Accenture. So first of all, congratulations Salome for getting selected in Accenture.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so can you please tell little bit about yourself so that the audience will be aware? Okay.
Sure. Hello, everyone. My name is Salome. I'm a recent graduate, 2025 graduate, and I got placed in Accenture on campus. And I'm also good at programming, and I've also been conducting a couple of, helping students with classes, etc. And recently, I got trained in Accenture, the process after the letter of intent. So I'll be discussing all of the details with you today.
Okay. So can you please uh, let us know, like, when did you apply for Accenture? When was your exam? I mean, just a rough idea, not the exact date we want. Just to understand, like, how much time it took for you to get the LOI, and from when the training started, and what is currently going on.
Okay. So the Accenture came to our college on campus on 2024 September,
Mhm,
and the exam was around October 2nd or 3rd week.
mhm. Okay.
After completing it, we got the results immediately. Then and there, you'll know if you're selected or not.
Okay.
After which, you'll be put into the interview, which will happen 5 or 6 days later on.
Okay.
Once the interview is done, we can expect the if you're selected or not after 1 month.
Mhm.
I got my result around December end,
Okay.
December last week. So after that was done, they'll usually split us into batches because it's mass hiring, right? So the first batch got enrolled. I mean, they started their training in February.
Okay.
So that was within a span of one. The first batch was in February,
Mhm.
and each batch training lasts for about 4.5 to 5 months. I was
Okay.
in batch 7,
Mhm.
and my training started in June. Yes, towards June end. June
Okay.
end, I got a mail regarding that I'll be getting into the training process. That is the
Mhm.
primers training. And the training began. They'll begin with the verification and acceptance of another letter of intent for the training. We'll be asked to accept it, and
Mhm.
then the training will begin after 1 week in July.
July.
So after the
Okay.
training starts,
Mhm.
the second week onwards, you'll be put into different platforms. Like different groups have different platforms.
Mhm.
They
Mhm.
have various vendors for training as well.
Mhm.
So you'll come across that, and you'll be enrolled in different communities and streams. Most of the primers will be easy.
Okay.
The primers phase will be easier.
Mhm.
After which we'll be moved into, once the primer is done,
No,
we'll
for
be
how
going
much time
into,
the basic training will be there, for how much time the primers will be there, and for how much time the stream training will be there. So the timeline also, can you define?
yeah, sure. So the primers will happen for 10 to 12 days.
Okay. But
Primers
first
happen
basic
for
training
10.
will be there, or then primers, or how it?
Primers is the basic training.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it'll happen for 10 to 12 days.
Mhm.
And once you're done with that, along with the primers, like immediately as soon as it is over, you'll have delivery training for another 7 or 8 days. So that
Okay.
comes nearly to 20, 22 days. Like that
Okay.
around, it'll come.
Okay.
So once the primers and the delivery training is done, you'll be allocated different streams
Mhm.
for which you'll receive a mail. You'll get an
Okay.
option to choose your stream.
Mhm.
And if you choose the stream in that, I mean, if you're familiar with the stream in that, you can
Mhm.
choose it for which you'll be asked to write a small exam, a
Okay.
proctored assessment. If you
Mhm.
clear that, you'll get the stream as per your wish. Otherwise, they will allocate one for you.
Okay. Okay. I have one question here. So is that something like once you clear primer, then only you will be into the stream training? Is there some kind of criteria is there, or how it is?
No, no, it's not like that. But it
Mm.
is to be on the safer side, it's advisable to have 60% or above in the primers.
Okay.
Primers is not for filtering process. The
Mhm.
stream might be for filtering.
Okay. Okay. So yeah. So you have to choose one stream, and after that, for how many days the training will be there, and what all things will be there.
That will be there for 1.5 months.
on an average?
My primers got over around August 29th. No, yeah, around August 29th or 30th.
Mhm,
And
mhm.
then I had to wait for one week for the stream allocation process and all of that to happen. And
Okay.
then my stream started in October second week.
Mhm.
Once the stream started, it happened for around nearly 2 months, I think. Up to September 31st, no, stream happened. In the
Okay.
stream also, you'll have different assess inside the stream. You'll be asked to attend classes. You'll have assessments,
Mhm,
and you're expected to have a proficiency of 60 to 65% and above,
mhm.
so that you're on the safer side of getting into the company.
Okay. Okay. So, I mean, your this stream training is over now after, so for, as you said, 4 attempts will be there for the stream training. So in the 4 attempts, and what will be the percentage cutoff to clear that?
60% and above.
60% and above. 60% and above, I think we can get it. So, I mean, once you clear in the first attempt, then you will have to wait for the joining, right? Okay. And
Yes,
if
sir.
you, yeah, yes, yes, please continue.
No, once the first attempt is over,
Mm.
they'll start sending mails only after all the four attempts are over. So, like basically, we are in batch, right?
Mhm.
So, for this particular batch, like they have four attempts. So, after the four attempts is over, the joining date will be the same for everyone. Those who clear within the four attempts, they'll start sending mails and be enrolled in the process.
Okay. So generally what happens like in for other companies, if you are not able to clear in the defined attempts like two, three, then like here 4 attempts, then company has to take the decision. So they might again give you another chance, or they might go for revoking the offer letter. So it depends upon the companies to companies, but I think 4 attempts is a very good number of attempts. And it's not only with Accenture. So even if you go to Infosys, so they have like for after 6 months you will have this training. So there also you have to score certain, I think 80% and above. uh, Even in Wipro, we have this pre-skill training that there also you have to clear it off to get into it. So, okay, so how do you feel like this stream-based training or primers? So, a student need to like work on daily basis, or what all things are required? Because they should not take it lightly, kind of, because once you receive the LOI, I have seen the student takes it very lightly. But software is a field, even after 3 years or 4 years of your experience or 10 years of experience. Today also I have around 12, 13 years of experience, but I need to know the latest things, like okay, how the things are working, or I have to get it updated. So the IT field is like that. So you cannot sit lightly. And always, like if you have knowledge, then you have respect in wherever you go in any companies. So can you please tell us a little bit about that, like how seriously we should take and things,
Yes.
and how difficult it
In
is?
my opinion, like once you get the offer letter, just as you said, that is when students get a little bit lethargic.
Mm-hmm.
But it's advised to take it seriously because primers will be easy.
Mm-hmm.
So primers, initially when they start, they'll bring in a little bit of known concepts only. You'll have Java programming, you'll have C programming. So we'll be given the option to choose initially as well. So you can choose which language you're comfortable in.
Mm-hmm.
At the same time, you'll have other easier concepts as well. And the multiple choice assessment after the primers also will be easy. If you start preparing from the beginning, you need not rush into the assessment. At the same time, I know friends and students who have started preparing like a week before and then they have managed to complete it as well. So it will be easier. The primers will be easier. And the next phase is the delivery training for the stream. So that will be more of a behavioral assessment training, wherein they'll bring in Gen AI, English. There's no assessment for it. They're
Mm-hmm.
expected to complete modules in the delivery training. That is also important.
Okay.
And the stream is where you'll have to put even more focus. Like you have to be serious in the primers, but the stream you'll have to be really focused because you have live classes. They'll bring in important points during the classes, the mentors, and the concepts as well will be really essential for you to do projects. We'll be asked to complete and submit projects. In
Okay.
my case, project and then an assessment in order to get it cleared. In that case, we have to know the concepts in depth, right?
Mm-hmm.
So They'll also allocate a schedule for you to learn the concepts.
Mm.
So if
So
for this
basically,
particular week,
yeah, so basically we have to be like, very serious during the whatever training it is. So we should not take anything lightly, because see, also there'll be many non-tech backgrounds, tech backgrounds, people will be there. So non-tech definitely has to put little more effort. So instead of, going and struggling during your job, right? So once you join, it's better to put effort after you get LOI, so that it will be easy or smooth to transition when you are joining. So it will be yeah, beneficial. That's great point actually.
another added advantage I'll say is I did a lot of projects during this training. So
Mhm.
automatically it's going to go into your resume. So if you take it seriously, you'll have projects as well to display when you're joining. So that is also an added point.
True, true. And getting into any kind of project inside the Accenture or any company, that also will be beneficial. True. Okay, so this was I always used to hear about primers, trainings, basic training, the same training, and I was really confused. So I thought, if I only don't have this kind of information, then definitely a student also will have some kind of difficulty. So I called you. So thank you, Salome. So it was a nice discussion here, and definitely it will help a student. So wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir.